Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered how Mars, our neighboring red planet, came into existence? The mysteries of Mars have captivated us for centuries. This intriguing planet, with its reddish hue and rocky terrain, has been the subject of countless studies, scientific missions, and even works of fiction. Mars holds a unique place in our solar system. It's the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest. Yet its impact on our understanding of space is anything but small. Mars has always been a source of fascination, stirring our curiosity and imagination. But how did this planet, so different from our own, come to be? The formation of Mars is an astounding tale of cosmic forces at work, a story written in the very stones and dust of the planet itself. Now, let's dive into the captivating journey of how Mars was formed. Mars, as we know it, began its journey around 4.6 billion years ago. The story of Mars' birth is a tale that takes us back to the very beginning of our solar system. It's a journey that starts with the solar nebula, a colossal swirling cloud of gas and dust left over from the formation of the Sun. In this nebula, the elements necessary for the formation of the planets, including Mars, were present. Tiny particles of dust and gas, scattered across the vast expanse of space, were drawn together by the inexorable pull of gravity. Over time, these particles began to collide and stick together, slowly but steadily forming larger and larger clumps. This process, known as accretion, is how the seeds of planets, called planetesimals, are born. These planetesimals, once formed, continue to grow by attracting more and more material from the surrounding nebula. Now imagine Mars, starting as a tiny speck in the vastness of space, gradually growing larger and larger, accumulating more and more material. This process wasn't quick. In fact, it took about 2 to 3 million years for Mars to grow from a tiny planetesimal into a full-fledged planet. As Mars grew, its gravity became stronger, attracting even more dust and gas. The pressure and heat at its core increased, causing the formation of a molten core and a solid crust. The Martian environment was taking shape, setting the stage for the planet we know today. But Mars's birth was not a peaceful event. The early solar system was a violent place, with collisions between growing planetesimals a common occurrence. Mars, too, would have experienced its fair share of these cosmic collisions, shaping its landscape and possibly even influencing its tilt and rotation. And so, Mars, the red planet we know today, was born. From a tiny speck amidst the celestial dust to a fully formed planet, Mars' journey is a testament to the incredible forces at work in our universe. It's a story of creation, of cosmic dust and gas coming together to form something truly remarkable. After its formation, Mars underwent significant changes. As the fiery heat began to cool, the planet developed a crust over its surface. Beneath this crust, a molten core formed, giving rise to a thin atmosphere that draped itself around the planet. The surface of Mars was not a stagnant terrain. Volcanic activity was rampant, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Alongside this, evidence suggests that water flow may have once existed, further shaping the Martian surface into valleys and possibly even oceans. Yet as we journey through the history of Mars, we observe a significant event: the disappearance of its magnetic field. This magnetic field, once the guardian of the planet's atmosphere, gradually faded, leaving Mars exposed to solar winds that stripped away its atmosphere. Despite the harsh conditions, Mars has always held a certain allure for us. So, to recap, Mars, our fascinating neighbor, has a history as vibrant as its color. It all began with a cosmic dance of dust and gas, swirling together to form a planetesimal. Over millions of years, this small celestial body grew in size and mass, eventually becoming the planet we know today. Mars, unlike any other planet, has a unique crust, core, and thin atmosphere, each with its distinct characteristics. The crust, hardened by time, is a testimony to the planet's fiery birth. The core, though now dormant, once powered a magnetic field protecting the planet from solar winds. And the thin atmosphere, though unable to support human life as of now, offers a glimpse into the planet's past and possible future. Isn't it amazing how a tiny speck of dust can evolve into a planet so captivating? If you enjoyed this cosmic journey and want to explore more such wonders of the universe, do subscribe to this channel.